Hamilton County authorities announced the indictment and arrest of Sanel Durakovich for a 2020 murder after 5 years of investigation. Good evening, I'm Latricia Thomas.
And I'm Josh Rowe. Patrick Godwin was a local hairdresser at T Salon in Chattanooga and had been a professional hairdresser for 30 years. Police say Godwin was killed on Horseshoe Bend Lane in Ottawa.
Durakovich was previously indicted over the crime in 2020, but the case was dismissed a year and a half ago. Now, the sheriff and district attorney explained that was to allow for more investigation.
News Channel 9's Mary Beth Mangrum shows us what court transcripts reveal about what happened the first time around.
5 years ago was the last time Patrick Godwin pulled into his Ottawa neighborhood before police say he was shot and killed in his front yard. But more than a year and a half after charges were dropped against the man police say pulled the trigger, he's now a suspect once again. But the big question is, why?
That video evidence, I think, as Your Honors understands, has been talked about. Some of that evidence has been lost.
This audio is from a hearing in 2023 before prosecutors dropped the initial case against Sanel Durakovich. An affidavit says the victim made advances toward Durakovich's girlfriend before the shooting. Those early hearings detailed lost or missing evidence in the case, including a video of a vehicle matching Durakovich's on the route to Godwin's home.
On this amount of evidence, the state can't go forward with trial.
In that hearing, prosecutors said one detective who could testify about the video evidence was no longer living.
Detective Thompson's no longer with us, so what he testified to, we don't have.
That hearing also revealed that prosecutors wanted to extract GPS data from Durakovich's vehicle.
I would hope they would make this a high priority, in which case I can't imagine it would take more than 4 months. If for some reason this case is not a high priority to them, I could see it taking up to a year.
It's now been a year and a half since the first charge was dismissed. When they rearrested Durakovich this week, Hamilton County Sheriff Austin Garrett said, quote, "My detectives and I have remained unwavering in our commitment to this case since it tragically occurred on the night of January 7th, 2020. In Ottawa, Mary Beth Mangrum, News Channel 9.
We asked the DA for specifics on what changed for this arrest to happen again. She told us she couldn't disclose more details until the case is closed. One person in the neighborhood who knew the victim said he hopes this rearrest would give the family some closure.